Are you torn between LeadPages versus Squarespace for your next website or landing page project? Both are popular choices, but which one is truly right for you? Stick around, because in this video, we're breaking down the key differences between these two platforms and showing you which one stands out. By the end, you'll know exactly which platform suits your needs best. Let's start with LeadPages. It's known for being one of the best tools when it comes to creating high-converting landing pages. If your goal is to build a dedicated landing page that captures leads, LeadPages has a clear edge here. The drag and drop builder is straightforward, and it's optimized for conversions, meaning you'll get tools like A/B testing, pop-ups, and integrations with popular email marketing services. But while it excels in landing pages, you might find that it falls short if you want a full-fledged website. Next, let's talk about Squarespace. Squarespace is often praised for its stunning, fully customizable website templates. It's an all-in-one platform that lets you build not only landing pages, but complete websites with blogs, e-commerce, and more. The design options are beautiful, and if you care about aesthetics and a sleek user experience, Squarespace shines here. However, it's important to note that while the designs are fantastic, they can sometimes feel a little rigid. You may need to compromise on certain customizations compared to other more flexible website builders. Plus, Squarespace isn't quite as focused on conversion tools as LeadPages, so it's not as ideal if you're primarily focused on lead generation. The next thing to consider is ease of use. LeadPages is pretty intuitive with its drag and drop functionality, especially for landing pages. But when you compare it to Squarespace, Squarespace Builder feels more polished and flexible. You get more control over the design elements, but with this flexibility comes a bit of a learning curve. It's not necessarily hard, but expect a little more time learning how to master it. LeadPages, on the other hand, is a bit more streamlined and designed for users who want to get up and running quickly. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. LeadPages can be a bit on the expensive side, especially if you're looking for the advanced features like split testing and integrations with third-party services. Squarespace, on the other hand, has a more straightforward pricing model that includes a lot of features right out of the gate. While it may seem like Squarespace is the more affordable option, if you're just looking for landing pages, LeadPages might be the more cost-effective solution. Finally, what about the big picture? If your goal is to build a simple landing page to capture leads, LeadPages is the winner for you, hands down. It's built specifically for that purpose, and it delivers on that promise with solid tools for conversion optimization. However, if you're looking for an all-in-one website that can do much more than just landing pages, think full websites, blogs, and e-commerce, then Squarespace might be the better platform for you, even if it's not as conversion-focused as LeadPages. Now, you might be wondering, which one should I choose? Well, both platforms have their merits, but for the best experience, especially if you're focused on lead generation, there's a solution that stands out even more than both LeadPages and Squarespace. We've got a unique, extended free trial offer for the software, and it's designed to help you achieve your goals even more effectively. Through our link in the description, you'll get access to the best free trial available, along with exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. And don't worry, if you want alternatives to LeadPages and Squarespace, we've got some amazing recommendations that might be even better suited to your needs. Don't forget to check out the links below for more details and the best free trials for your next project.